Here are the 3 P's for making money online. Number 1 P is the problem. Money is simply a byproduct of solving problem. If you want to make money online, you need to look for problem to solve. Number 2 P. Number 2 P is a product. The other reason why people or somebody will give you their money is when you are able to solve a problem for them. You solve that problem by offering them a product that is serving as a solution to their problem. That is when you have a product that is fit to their problem. That is when they will buy from you. Now, number 3 P is people. So it is the people that have that problem that you want to solve. It is not another person, it is people. And it is people who are going to buy your product from you. So if you want to make money online, you need to look for a problem to solve. You must have a product that you are selling, which is serving or is solving a problem. You also need to find people who are going to buy that product from you. So these are the 3 P's for making money online. So if you have gotten a value from this video, please kindly give it a thumb up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Till next time, I bring another strategies to your way.